Hey everybody, we are here at Beef Coop and Geese Coop and Duck Coop and Turkey Coop. Today we're going to be mixing up some feed for those of you who have animals. For those of you that have animals and are trying to cut your feed costs down, this is a pretty easy way to do it. And what I purchased is about 4 bags of feed. I'll buy 3 bags of, 2 bags of chicken scratch, your normal everyday chicken scratch. And then I'll buy 1 bag with the scratch and sunflower seeds all together in it. And I'll buy another bag of the alfalfa pellets. And alfalfa pellets, obviously, the geese need niacin, which they get from grass. So this supplements, but the chickens will eat it as well. And basically, you can see I've got 3 5-gallon buckets. I've got a 4th over there that's already been mixed. And basically, what we're going to do is we're going to fill these buckets up with this mix. Please don't go more than halfway. And you'll understand that once you fill these up halfway and you add water to it, you're going to add a little bit of water every day and stir them, because they're going to get a gray hue on top of there. And that gray hue is nothing to worry about. It's not mold. It's the actual yeast from the seeds that are combining and bringing that to the top. And it's actually good for them. It's actually good for their ingestion and good for the digestive tract to keep them healthy. It's good probiotics for your animals. So, like I said, I stress don't go more than halfway on this, because it will swell up and this thing will double in size. So it's like you're going from 2 5-gallon buckets to a total of 4, because it's going to swell up that much. So we're going to get started doing that here. And I did feed the birds here just a few minutes ago, so that they're not causing all kind of issues, but they still probably going to be in there anyway. Hey, you're not helping me. Alright, so we got that done. All we got to do now is add water, and these things will start swelling up. Now, it's important to come out every day and take those and blend them up. and make sure that you mix back in that grade that's in there so that they'll get the benefits of the probiotics. Sorry, I had to unlock the camera, guys. Didn't realize it wasn't moving around. They're going to be digging in here. I'm going to grab some water, try to get this done as quick as possible. Hey camera, where you going? What's the deal over here? Now when you fill this up, the water is going to be a little bit cloudy, and that's fine. It's just the dust from the actual grain after it's been taken and processed. Y'all are making way too much noise in here. Especially you there, John Michael. You can also, I got a stick. I'm just going to take my scooper I use, get down in there, make sure that there's no air bubbles. Grab your lid here, and just put one side of it snapped in. Leave it the rest of the way up. That way it gets some air and that fermentation process keeps working. Now, if you're nervous about if you see flies coming around and trying to get into it, don't worry about that. Let the flies actually in there. They're going to lay their larvae. Those larvae are going to hatch out. And when you do feed your chickens, guess what? That's free protein for them. Just like feeding them soldier flies. It's no different. So there we go. They're all done. That makes number 4 that I got set up. Like I said, stir these every day. You have this should last us probably about 3 weeks. On like I said, it comes out to be about 4 gallons, 4 or 5 gallon buckets when it's all said and done, because this stuff is going to swell up on it. So appreciate you guys checking out the video. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. Check me out another time. I'm always posting videos at least once a week.